how to update Telegram on iPhone. So if you're an ardent Telegram user and now it's been a while you last updated the Telegram application on your phone, I want to show us to update Telegram app, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to update Telegram app on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. Now, once you open the App Store, click on the spotlight search at the bottom right. Then go ahead and search for Telegram. Then click on search. Once you search for your Telegram app, you should see that the Telegram Messenger app is due for update. Then click on it. Now go ahead and tap the update button. Once you click on that, you'll be prompted to confirm your Apple account password. So click on that. In some cases, you'll be prompted to type in your password, and in some cases, you'll be prompted to press the side button 3 consecutive times. So go ahead and type in your Apple account password. Once typed in your password, go ahead and click on sign in, and then hang on. Once the App Store can confirm your Apple account password, then you should see the Telegram application updating. This might take a couple of seconds depending on the strength of your internet connection. And once it's done, then you can now go ahead to open the Telegram application once the update is completed. To confirm that the Telegram app is completed, you're going to see a dot beside the Telegram label or name, just like you see on Spotify, Shazam, and then the rest of them. Also, if you come to the Telegram app on your iPhone screen, then you should see this level at which the Telegram application is updating. And then you can also come back to the App Store, open it to see how long it's going to take the Telegram app to update. So that is basically how to update Telegram app on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.